Hi, this is Ritusha. Welcome to my channel Relish with Ritu. Last time we had done unboxing of Orbat hand blender and it is great to see that video is helpful to you all. Hence we are doing unboxing of another home appliance which is just in front of you. Induction by Philips. In picture it's really looking awesome. So without wasting further time, let's check the product and its specifications. I got this from Chroma store at Rs 2899. It can also be purchased from different online websites. Model number of this induction is HD4929/01. There are some specifications given on the box like 6 preset menus for Indian cooking, 8 power levels, 2100 watt high power, cool to touch glass panel. Some details are mentioned on the side of the box. Also, here are some features. Without wasting time, let's open the box. Packaging looks good though. And this seems to be great. Now, let's take an overview of this induction. This is cooking zone, cooking plate, control panel, power cord, air inlet, outlet, and some technical details. Here we have 6 Indian cooking preset menu options which are roti or dosa, gravy, stir fry, slow cook, pressure cook. Here we have manual button which you can use for other options. This is residual heat indicator. When this lights up, do not touch the cooking plate as temperature is too high. Then this is the screen which will indicate the time. Press on or off button to switch on the induction. This indicator lights up. Press pause button to stop cooking at any time and press it again to resume. During cooking, you can change power levels by using this increase and decrease button. This is temperature display where maximum power is 2100 watt which is 240 degrees Celsius. Then this is timer. You can use it to decide how much time you want appliance to work on different cooking modes. Press the temperature button and induction starts working at the power of 800 watt. It comes with 0 to 3 hour setting. Time for induction cooking may be less than time taken on gas or stove. So better to keep all ingredients ready before you start cooking. Then the dimension of induction is 35.6 by 28.1 cm and thickness is 6.5 cm and weight of this cooktop is 2.1 kg, so you can carry out easily. Now let's talk about the cookware which can be used on this induction. We have to use cookware with flat bottom and made up of iron or magnetic stainless steel. Bottom diameter of cookware should be 12 to 20 cm. This can take load up to maximum 8 kg. This induction has automatic shut off, which means it switches off automatically if no cookware is put on the induction within 1 minute. It also switches off if bottom of the cookware is less than 6 cm like knives, spoon, fork. It will be automatically shut off if temperature of central plate is more than 300 degrees Celsius and if it will be used for more than 3 hours. Now comes a cleaning part. You have to unplug the appliance 3 minutes after the cooking is finished and let it cool down. Clean the appliance with a damp cloth or a Wonder Wiper. You can see cleaning this induction is very easy. If necessary, you can use some mild cleaning agent. Let's check what else we have got in the box. So this is safety guide with full of instructions. Then we have this user manual with the details of how to use this induction. This user manual comes along with a warranty card, but there is no stamp, so I would suggest you keep your bill safe. Here are some guidelines about maintenance, storage, guarantee and services. They provide you warranty of 1 year. You can extend it by 1 or 2 years by paying minimal amount. And for services, you can visit local Philips dealer. You can get this cooktop in the range between 2599 to 2999, depends on different dealers and websites. Let's see how does it work. I am switching it on with this button. Screen will appear. With this temperature button, it will start working on the power of 800 watt. Let's try to boil the water. I am increasing temperature. But as you hear this beeping sound, this pot is not working on the induction because bottom diameter of this pot is lesser than 12 cm. Hence it will not work. Now let's try a bigger vessel. I'm gonna do this on a manual mode. Also I am increasing the temperature now. As you can see that beeping sound is gone and water started boiling within 30 seconds. We can pause the process whenever we want. Remember, do not touch the cooking plate when this residual heat indicator is on. I'm sure you loved this video. To watch our regular cooking recipes, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.